Let's make chili lime tilapia. My husband literally took a bite of this and looked at me and said, "Damn, babe, you can cook." It's so easy, don't tell him. Start with 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then you're gonna juice 1 or 2 limes, however many limes you have. You're also gonna zest one of those limes. Use about a tablespoon of garlic, and then a teaspoon and a half of the Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning. If you don't have it, use paprika and chili powder, it's fine. And then a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and then add some salt and pepper. Mix this marinade together, and you're gonna pour it over the fish. Tonight I am using tilapia because it is cheap, but this marinade also goes great over cod or whatever white fish you have. You're gonna marinate it for 30 minutes up to like 24 hours. These are the written directions if you wanna pause the video and take a screenshot. After your fish is done marinating, you're gonna cook it in a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. I line the pan with foil to make cleanup easier. And this is what it looks like when it is done cooking. You want it to be fork flaky tender. My husband's plate has teriyaki mushrooms and sauteed spinach. Because I love citrus, I made a lemon butter caper sauce. Holy crap, y'all. Even I was impressed with this meal. Thank you for watching.